Hi everyone, this is Devi. Welcome to my channel Learners. In this video, I will ask 10 interesting questions. If you know the answers, let me know in the comment section that how many questions you answered. Let's start our video. Question number 1. Which is the longest insect in the world? A. Grasshopper. B. Mayfly. C. Stick insect. D. Titan beetle. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C, stick insect. Stick insect is the longest insect in the world. The stick-like appearance is to protect itself from enemies. The largest stick insect is 25 inches in length. Question number 2. Which instrument is used for measuring the wind speed? A. Barometer. B. Anemometer. C. Hydrometer. D. Wind vane. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B, anemometer. The term anemometer is derived from a Greek word anemos, which means wind. Anemometer is used to measure speed of the wind. This instrument is used in all weather stations. Wind vane or weathercock is used to measure wind direction. Question number 3. Which is the second longest river in India? A. Ganga. B. Brahmaputra. C. Krishna. D. Godavari. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D, Godavari. Godavari is the second longest river in India. The Godavari, also known as Dakshina Ganga or South Ganga, its length is 1464 kilometers. The Godavari originates in western Ghats of central India near Triambakeshwar, Nasik in Maharashtra, and it finally flows into the Bay of Bengal. Question number 4. Night blindness is caused by lack of which vitamin? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin B. D. Vitamin A. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Vitamin A. Night blindness is caused by lack of vitamin A. Night blindness is also known as nyctalopia, which means inability to see well at night or in poor light. Vitamin A is a component of rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is nothing but a protein in rod cells. These rod cells are present in eyes. Rod cells help you to see in the dark. So lack of vitamin A causes decreased production of rhodopsin that leads to night blindness. These are some vitamin A rich foods which helps to overcome night blindness. Question number 5. Which gas is filled in the tires of aeroplane? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A. Nitrogen. Aircraft tires are usually inflated with nitrogen because to minimize expansion and contraction from extreme changes in ambient temperature and pressure which are experienced during flight. The use of this inert gas for tire inflation eliminates the possibilities of tire explosion. Question number 6. What is the only food that never spoils? A. Water. B. Pickle. C. Honey. D. Sugar. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C. Honey. Honey is the only food that will never spoil. When it is stored properly, honey never goes bad. The water content of honey is very low. Its low water content dehydrates bacteria, makes it resistant to spoiling. Honey will darken or crystallize, but it is still safe to eat. Question number 7. Which place is known as Tea Garden of India? A. Bihar. B. Kerala. C. Manipur. D. Assam. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Assam. Assam is considered as the world's largest tea growing region. There are 765 tea estates in Assam and more than 1 lakh smaller gardens that together produce 570 million kilos of tea annually. That's why the state Assam is known as Tea Garden of India. Question number 8. Who is the author of book Broken Wing? A. Kiran Bedi, B. Chetan Bhagat, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. APJ Abdul Kalam. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C. Sarojini Naidu. The author of the book The Broken Wing is Sarojini Naidu. Question number 9. What is the national game of USA? A. Hockey, B. Baseball, C. Cricket, D. Football. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B. Baseball. Baseball is the national game of USA. Question number 10. Which animal has no brain? A. Snail, B. Jellyfish, C. Ant, D. Leech. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B. Jellyfish. Jellyfishes do not have heart, lungs, or brain either. Then how does a jellyfish live without these vital organs? Because their skin is so thin that they can absorb oxygen directly through it. So they don't need lungs. They do not have any blood. So they don't need a heart to pump it. And they respond to the changes in their environment using signals from a nerve net just below their epidermis. That means outer layer of the skin. So they don't need a brain to process complex thoughts. That's why jellyfishes do not have heart, brain and lungs. If you like this video, share this video to your friends. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.